In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Fiverr to Payoneer. To do this, just go and open up Fiverr and go to My Business and click Earnings. Here you then want to go and click Manage Payout Methods and then click Add New Payout Method. From there, just gonna select your Payoneer account and click Continue. Then enter the verification code that will be sent to your phone number. And then from there, click Continue to Payoneer. It will then redirect you to Payoneer. Now, I personally already have an account, so I'm just gonna sign into my account. If you don't have one, you can just create your account right here. So I'm just gonna sign into my account. And from there, you can then select a payment method for your Payoneer account. So for example, add a bank account. And then here, just go and add your bank account details. And after you add those, you can then click submit. And then you also have a way of withdrawing from Payoneer to Fiverr. And after doing that, you have finished setting it up with your Fiverr account. And you can then click withdraw balance. And then here as an option, you will have Payoneer. So then just select Payoneer and withdraw the money. And then from Payoneer, you can withdraw it to your bank account, for example. So now you know how to withdraw money from Fiverr to Payoneer. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.